How to delete files by Google app on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To delete the files by your Google application, first and foremost, check out your phone settings. Now within your phone settings, you can scroll down until you see the option of apps. From here, head over to all apps. Now within the apps, you can go ahead and search for files by Google, or in the search bar, go ahead and search for files by Google. Now first step is to tap on the force stop button and OK. Next, head to storage and cache. Then if there is any cache built up, make sure to clear the cache. After which you need to tap on clear storage and tap on the delete button. Once you have deleted it, head over. Now in here, either you will see the option of disable or uninstall. It may differ according to your application or your mobile model. Just click on either the option of disable or uninstall. Once you confirm regarding the disable or uninstallation, you'll be able to delete files by a Google app on mobile. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.